Hey guys, in this video we'll be solving the valid parenthesis interview problem. Here we are given an input string of a different combinations of brackets and we have to determine if it's valid or not. So first we'll start by creating a map of all the possible bracket pairs. So I'll just write a map and I'll just list down all the pairs. We'll be having these three types of brackets. I'll just write the opening and closing brackets. Okay, we have the map of all the possible bracket combinations, and also we'll be needing a stack. So I'll initialize a stack as an empty array. Now what we'll do is first we'll loop over all the characters of this string and we'll check if it's an opening bracket or a closing bracket. So first I'll just write a loop. I'll use a for of loop. Character of s. Now if the character is an opening bracket, then we'll push that into the stack. So to check if it's an opening bracket, we can use the object.hasOwn property to figure out if the map has a valid key. So here we can do map of hasOwn property and it will be character. So if character is a valid key in this map, then we'll just push that character to the stack. Else, this means that we have an opening bracket, and else means we have a closing bracket. So if we have a closing bracket, we'll check if its corresponding matching open bracket is already at the top of the stack. If so, then we'll just pop it out. So first I'll just write down stack top. It will be stack of stack dot length -1. Now if the closing bracket, which is the character, is matching with the corresponding opening bracket, so it will be map of stack top. So this is the closing bracket, and if it matches its corresponding opening bracket, then we'll just pop the stack dot pop. Else if it's not matching, then we'll just return false. And at last we'll just return true if the stack is empty again. So we'll just return stack dot length equals to 0. So if the stack is empty, we'll return true, else if it has something, then we'll return false. So I will just run it once. So all the test cases are done. Now we'll just submit it. Yeah, this is fine. Now coming to the time and space complexity. So we are just using one loop. So the time complexity will be order of n. And for the space complexity, if we have a really long string and all the possible combination of brackets are pushed in the stack, then it will be order of n. So time will be order of n and space will be also order of n if the stack grows too much. Yeah, thanks for watching.